Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying your MacBook model and Mac OS version so you get the right parts and instructions. Once done, quit apps and open Activity Monitor to spot runaway processes that make fans spin. Force quit unnecessary ones. Make sure the machine is off, unplugged, and on a flat, non-static surface. Gather the correct torques or tri-point drivers and a soft brush. These prep steps let you act immediately and avoid wasting time on trial-and-error fixes. You'll remove the bottom case and keep screws organized by length to avoid mistakes later. Once open, ground yourself against static and use short bursts of compressed air to clear dust from fans and vents, then gently brush remaining debris. Check fan blades for nicks or wobble and verify connectors are seated. If the heat sink or CPU shows dried thermal paste, note it. Replacing paste helps temperatures drop. These steps address the most common mechanical causes of excessive fan noise. You reapply a thin, even layer of quality thermal paste when needed, then reassemble carefully, making sure connectors and screws return to their original places. Once powered on, reset the SMC and PRAM to clear fan control glitches, update Mac OS, and run a temperature monitor to confirm improved thermal behavior. If fans still scream, test each fan using diagnostics or replace the noisy fan. If electrical or board issues remain, take the Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.